So I'm exploring this village called Shankyari in KPK, and look, I found a relaxing spot by the river. And I guess we are not alone. Look at this goat. He is continuously staring at me and peeking from behind this wall, and he's so cute. I cannot resist. And let me just go close to them. There's a whole bunch of goats and lambs and donkeys. They are enjoying the sun, soaking the heat, and enjoying by the riverside and this great heavenly view and these mountains and the cool wind. They have taken my spot. Looks like goats also need a day off by the river alone. The vibe of this place is so damn refreshing, and I love the view. It's so heavenly, it looks straight out of heaven, heaven on earth.